for Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Datayug Society haka arpsaw tarik unay tung arajara punrio. Kalapelong yaka jing pensay halor ka cyber awareness and digital literacy halaban Bengali Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong. Haka bapalat saus pangot kikana puli kilay simbenta. Ka workshop kalapela jingmod ban jingirap ya kikana puli. Kumno ban pendon kam hok ya ka technology bat ban pensu thu syapang ka Generation Z bat Generation Alpha Artificial Intelligence Chat GPT cyberbullying ka jingsngan ha ka internet ka digital well-being bat ka jing pendon kam ya ka social media da ka jingkir clear.
Digital failure. Empowering youth for tomorrow. So here are the list of contents. First, Gen Z. Second, life of Gen Z and Gen Alpha after the rise of AI and Chat GPT. Social media leverage. Fifth, open-ended quiz. Fifth, scam. Who are Gen Z? Can anyone tell me who are Gen Z? Yes. What else? Anyone? As we are born between 1990, your skin complexion is black. Okay? Okay? It's a God creation. We should not abuse or say something bad or it. Your friends will say, hey, please don't wear this or that. It doesn't look good. Why? Because you're black. Have you ever heard these things before? Yes. Just say no or cut off them. Really? Because it will create your mental stress. You know why? Because from the smallest to please don't do these things with me. Okay? And ever again, if you see the school student, he got bullied. And what he did? He did suicide. Do you think suicide is a bad thing to do? No. Is that a solution? No. No. What do you have to do? Yeah, you have to take stand for it. Yourself and what? Now we'll talk about cyberbullying. Okay. Cyberbullying. Okay, please can everyone? Source of entertainment. Because it's a serious or significant harm individuals, particularly vulnerable populations like there are some reasons. We go to why, but let's us understand. No, I think you get. By the strangers, you don't get. Yes. Why not? Isn't it? You give them just because you love. Yeah, that's the thing. And what happens? If the person is not good, what he will do? He will blackmail you. He will harass you. I have your pic. I can post into online and you will know what will happen after this. Your family will know. Then we get what? No. Okay. Share your private info online. Like name or address without your permission. This before? No. Yeah. I think you have done. I can do this. If I have done something, suppose like if I have some what I could say, some privacy picture, okay? I have it with me, okay? I have the power of that person to control over it, his or her privacy picture. I can also scare someone, trouble, or sending stress through emails, and then social media. I could say, hey, I will post your picture. Do this for like this. Always happen. Do this for me. To get their power, to control over it. Why would we used to get trolled? Because of her fashion. Because society never accepts this kind of fashion. Isn't it? Yes. Because she used to wear plastic and so many things, no? It's a good idea for men. And Gen Z are so serious and unserious. peace of mind. From the lantern and help them to protest. Can you understand? Gen Z thoughts? Well, we are Gen Z, but still, this is too much. We should never troll someone like this. And think, at that time, at the year 2024, 66,854 cases, and it's also reported to it that one case is every 8 minutes, more than 180 incident daily. So, can you imagine? And most of them, they don't report online or they go to police station. They just keep to themselves or do suicide. They don't have any other option. They can't even talk. Quick actions if you are cyberbullied. Repeat after me again, okay? Quick actions if you are cyberbullied. If you do this mistake, it is wrong. So brain always warn us, don't do this. But we always go for heart. Because heart is always says, oh no, it's okay, fine. We are more emotionally invested there. Okay? Take screenshot as proof. Repeat after me. Take screenshot as proof. Third, what do you say? Log the bully immediately. Log the bully immediately. Yes. Repeat after me, okay? This. Say don't engage. Keep a digital record. Take professional help. What do you go for? You can call line 1930. Okay? This is helpline number. Or you will teach your friends about this thing. About cyberbullying. You can understand about this. I think many of them, do you get this scams and all for the OTP and all? Yes. See? You keep this thing again, update. Detox means what? What you have understood? Disconnect to reconnect, the digital detox. You use social media a lot. A lot is a lot. Addiction. 24 hours. If we get a chance to get a 24 hours, we will do. Even though we don't have any work, we'll use social media. Even though if we have headache, we'll use. No, I need my phone. Where's my phone? Even though if there is no current, we need. We used to get panic. I need my phone. I want to use. Even though if there's no recharge or Wi-Fi, what we do? We can please give me a hotspot. I just want to use it. See, we got some addiction. So these are the things we should not. Okay, use it. Just keep for 2 hours or keep for a schedule. For 2-3 days, you must be thinking, oh, I just want my phone. I want to use it. But as soon as you have maybe this concept, now this is so famous, and you just want to do, it's open and just use it. Okay.
Maybe emails, maybe text messages, scams, phishing scams, malware scams, fake profiles, job line, hooking a rod into a sea and catching a fish. But in the online context, it is kind of similar to an email that is masked as a legit URL in order to trick you into giving your login information to this fake link. And once you give your login information to this link, all of your data. Okay, how to recover from phishing? Finally, monitor your accounts regularly. As I just said, exe file or an APK file that is designed to send to your phone to be or it will do things that will delete information on your phone and send your personal data to a hacker. This type of attack is actually very dangerous, so please be aware. Some tips to avoid. Always use trusted antivirus softwares and update them. Never download apps, softwares, songs, etc. Especially if there is zip file from untrusted sites. This is being sold. These are obviously scams. I saw an ad for a signed jersey of Mbappe, which was listed at 500 rupees, which is just ridiculous, right? 500 for a signed jersey is like a fortune. I'm not sure you ever received the product. Yeah, as I just explained.
Nga kita ideal jahad surong but nadai presenter but lead researcher for Datayug society nga ditam intan diagum ka society ni temu ban pen ajing tip shi kena kumno baki dai ban use ya ke internet ke Datayug society kumang katang hima Datayug ni temu ban pentip i kena bukumno ke di ban penerkam da ka dan apa dan buram ya ke internet bat kumno baki nang hak ke bisniu jo ke internet kadang pol kadang yar ke internet kadang use kena ke social media kadang kadang lap hak ek bisniu da kadang ni ke society ni temu ban ajing tip shi kena school bagi organize ki different awareness campaigns workshop bagi school apa shilong man quick way jaka dia bangin pentip kan yaki ba kumno ki ban like ni ki basli jo internet bat kin yo ban penerkam bat penerkam dah badan apa dan buran ke internet ni ale palat 50 workshops awareness programs ki dang last week ina shdak 7 set high secondary school ro bat ni ale ki Sasid Advanced College and BPS LC Lorto Content Image kena after every program kena mah bagian tip aja tip kumno ki setengah ni sen ki amba ki setengah bahan mabon sen ki kim tip na ki bas new internet plus ni fokus bahai ki Gen Z ki bon sen ki Gen Z ki use ki penakam ki internet ni kim tip ki badan syukran ledak nama ki bas new ki to ki so comment ki ai ko boleh ni oh ko boleh nama bani tip wat la kala asyik jai ni tentang dengan tip ki kumno boleh yo kita nak jingar penakam hanya dia perlu ai kini awareness program bagi workshop kila yo ki habaile baka social media ke itu kibun kum ke topik junior mamanya ke ni crunch pa cyberbullying ki pun kini kena kisah bully apa you dan betul ki comments trend ke ibis ni henry menshwa ke amba oh ni tip mau kum nun ngen respond dari mentap dia pengen IG ke itu kum nu ki ban screenshot buan ki helpline national helpline ki pulit ro ki help mamanta ki harap hadapan ke internet kalau ke bagi beliau ki penerkam kumno dia kata sisi kami bawa na tentang ni badan ke besni haka kata syari kena tiki oi ni ba ni di bangin yo ini program kita kan kumno deal with situations lagi kena samla haki job banta kumalir kena samla ma ngau pa menang tang kuih bahabangi dan benarkan ke internet di benarkan mereka di badan buram dan nakar bangim dia balik keren kulmar dan yo tang bangi dan hadiah juga screen nama buan sen ni perkat om dan balap ini di tentang di ban ba video ban nom le kulmar ban benarkan nama video perkat ba challenges juga tu kuih screen tu berfikiran kita di kuih beliau bat om tang atas video ban buram rup ma kum fi buram pada beliau kum ini shop ke beli ke batip beliau tu beli di kum tangi ban buat kita apa ban mat pakai jing malam si om tang haka offline one and online one.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.